So, good evening, Arvindji, and welcome again to stockwizards.com. So, today we will be learning about technical analysis and its importance in stock markets. We will be looking at few chart patterns and candlestick patterns which we use in our daily trading system. And you can do any intraday or positional or even long-term wealth creation also using the same system. So will it be good if you have one system which can be used for any time frame and any stock or commodity, anything that you do? How will that be? That will be good. Okay. So basically, let us start now technical analysis. Technical analysis, according to me, is a better way of understanding how a stock is behaving in terms of their prices, and we will interpret those prices into form of charts. So charts can be of various forms, like I have mentioned here. As you might be, I assume that you are aware of all these basic chart pattern charts, forms of charts. The mainly used is candlestick and bar charts. Line chart, I will show you now. It is a very simple and common chart. Ranco charts are another type of charts where you, instead of candles and bars, you will see only brick type of chart action in that. So price action will be in form of various bricks. They call it as bricks. It's a square shaped brick type thing. And Heiken-Ashi charts are totally different. It combines two candlesticks, high and close, and all those things that we will discuss further. Heiken-Ashi and how to trade with the Heiken-Ashi charts. Okay, these basic chart forms are clear to you, right? Okay, fine. So this is a basic Marubozu chart, Marubozu candle. This is called as Marubozu candle. So you might have seen in your charts that suddenly a stock opens at this level. This is the open, and you will see a volume will be increasing very high, and the stock will increase in the prices. There will be sudden increase in the price of that particular stock. Okay, and this is okay. This is the just opposite of this chart. The stock will be opening at here. At the high end open will be the same, and sudden volume increase will be there, and it will start falling. So these are very strong sentiment charts in stock market. Have you seen these type of candles before? I'm sure you might have seen. Everybody has seen this. Yeah. So this is a very strong chart called as Marubozu. We have different theory on this type of candle, and we use this thing differently, that we will be teaching you again. Okay. One second. Now this is what I call it as rejection candle. What happens is a stock will open at this level, and suddenly there will be a high, and it will go up to this point, and from this area it will start coming down, and it will come down, and it will close here. Okay, so that means the prices were rejected from these levels, these highs. Is that okay? But it is a green candle, it is a bullish candle, but this is a rejection candle. It looks like a bullish candle, but this is not bullish at all. The prices have been rejected from there. There was an attempt made by buyers or other bullish peoples who tried this stock to go up. Yes, both are rejected. I will tell you why. What happened in this candle is the candle opened here. Okay. Then it went up high till here. So that time the candle was green. Then suddenly what happens is people try to push off from this level, and this was a level of rejection again. So that price of that stock starts from falling from this high, and from here it starts coming down, down, down till the open, and then it goes below the open and closes below the open. Is this one clear? Red one. Okay. So both are looking same, but there are difference in color, but both are the rejection candles, right? So whenever you see this in any chart, so if you are having any position, like if suppose you have bought any stock, or you have you are long in any stock, and you see this type of candle, so be very cautious that that trend can be changed immediately. So as soon as if you are having a position and we see this type of candle, what we will do is immediately, if you are long, we will put a stop loss below the low of this type of candle. And if it hits the next time, then you are out of the position. Is that clear? Okay. Or we can use this as taking a fresh entry also. Okay. That we will discuss now. Just a second. Okay. So that was the rejection type candle. Fine. This is a hammer. As this looks like a hammer shape, this is a hammer. This again is a strong, very strong candle. Again you can understand this is also a type of rejection candle. The stock opened here, okay, and there was sudden fall in the prices and stock was going low, low, low. It made a new low. And from there people tried to push it up, and new buyers came in to buy the stocks, and bullish took control over the bearish. Bullish are those people who want to buy the stock, and bearish people are those who want to sell the stock. So this whole market is a sentiment between bulls and bears. Is that clear? So why the name came bull and bear? Because as you know, what bull does? Bull hits his horns upside, right? Yeah. So that is why the upside movement became as bullish. And bear, what they do, they beat from their hand downside. They swing downside. So it became bearish. The name came like this. Arvindji, here also I have written color doesn't matter, but it should have a formation like this. Okay. Is this clear now? Position. Like what position you are asking? Yeah, we will discuss that. We will discuss that. Next slides are all those things. We will discuss that. Okay. Just remember that these are rejection and reversal candles. That's it. These are inverse hammers. What we saw now, this is the opposite of that. Okay. It can have shadow lower wick also, or a tail also. That means there could be a line like this below this. Then also it is a hammer, inverse hammer or a hammer. Did you get this point? Okay, just a second. Fine. So for suppose how this candle looks in when you see all the candles together is the stock is in very good trend, uptrend, and you can see prices are going up, up, up. Yes, and as soon as you see this is the area to be cautious. Okay, so we will discuss how to trade in this, what positions we will alter in this. This is the first signal that it can be the end of this uptrend or the prices can move in the reverse direction. Is this clear? Okay. So it can be red also like this or it can be green like this. Is this clear? Both are showing same sentiment, but the only difference is candle is different. Here it opened here, it made a high, it was rejected, it came down and it closed here. Okay, this is clear, right? Here what happened is it opened here, it went up high till here, it was rejected and it came down below the close, below the open, sorry, below the open and it closed here. So it is a again a symbol that this could reverse from here. Okay. So what do you think about this now? Down, down, down. Candle was coming down. You can have wicks and tails in these candles, not an issue. Red candle, red candle, red candle. It is coming down and suddenly reversal. Yes, suddenly it came down and someone tried to push it up from here and it went up and finally it became a bullish candle. This is also same, Arvindji. Only thing is color is different. Many people get confused. They want to see this. They don't recognize this. Both are saying the same sentiment actually. It's a bullish sentiment going on now. Okay. So what is the preferred trade when we see such kind of action in charts? You saw prices of stock falling down, falling down, falling down. Then you see this. So what you will do is when this candle closes in any time frame, if you are trading, if this candle closes, you will take an entry at the close of this candle or at the open of the next candle. You will put a stop loss just below 5 or 10 ticks below this level. Ticks is, I mean 0.10, like that you will put. Okay. So the preferred action in this reversal type will be to buy or to go long. Is that clear? Okay. Same here. You will prefer to go short. Stop loss would be at the high of the candle. Entry will the close of this candle or open of the next candle. This is also clear to you, right? Okay. Do make note of this also, okay? Because sometimes you may get confused. Now this is where we will be doing many things, trying to make. Acha. Am I going too fast? Acha. Okay, so what we do is we include all those types of candles also. But you see here, candle has made a new high. But what happened to that candle? One second. Candle made a new high. Earlier we saw this, and the prices of stock closed here. Okay, the next day the prices opened here. It was a gap up. Or if it's the same day, the stock price was here. After this candle it opened here. Suddenly we saw a decline in the price. So it was a highest high of these three, and it is a red candle. So this is a particular area of shorting entry for you. Is this clear? Okay. The same way opposite, when this coming down, 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 if we see a candle making lower low and it is a green, this was low, this was making low, low. Again this candle made a low, but finally this became a bullish candle. So this also triggered a opposite trade, opposite direction trade for us. Am I right? Okay. So we let us do one thing. Let us see this in real charts now. Is this clear for you till now? Is this clear, Arvind? Yes, this is a reversal. We will see that in the chart now. This type is first formation of reversal. I will show you now. Okay. Okay. Just a second. So let us see this in real time example. This is the chart. One second. So Arvind, this is a today's Nifty chart. Okay, this is today's Nifty chart, and this is 15 minute time frame, and this will show only today's data as we have selected intraday 15 minute. Okay, so let me show you. Let us see daily chart of Nifty. Okay, Arvind, see here this candle. Okay, is the voice clear now? Okay, can you hear the voice now? Okay, so what I was saying is, look at this particular candle. Does this candle apply to our theory? This one, the arrow where I have put, you can see that. This candle, yeah, top red. Okay, this is at the top you can see the date 7 September 2016. Okay, I have put a vertical line over here. Okay, so that was our buy signal or sell signal, Arvind. Then what happened after that? See, market fell down. Can you see this? Okay. So as soon as we saw this candle, if we are long in Nifty, we will be a little more cautious, right? Yeah. Okay. So now let me show you something else. What is this one, Arvind? These two. What are these two denoting for us? Let us go to the PowerPoint again. Can you see here? So it's a bullish hammer candle and it is a buy entry for us. Can you see this? Whether it's green or whether it's red, it's a buy entry for us. Okay. So it is red. It is red. All other might look for green candle, but we know as soon as this happened, we are little more cautious that okay, something might happen. And after that, market really moved up. Can you see? Can you see, Arvind? The market went up after that. So now you can see here. Here also it was a higher high. Fine. But market did not come down from here. You might ask why. So I will say, I said highest high or lowest low. Did I say that? Read it. It is always best in reversal candles. Occurs at lowest low and highest highs. Okay. So when this one here occurred, it occurred near to the highest high, previous high. This what we will do is when you start going into more advanced classes, you will start learning to take which entry and which entry to avoid. Okay. So see here, Arvind, as you can see what has happened today. This is what has happened today. Yes, it gapped up and it is a red candle. But now when you see it is a gap up red candle, immediately we can't short it. We have some other criteria to see. So we will be seeing all those things and then only we can short. Okay. So tomorrow it might slightly come up and fill this. These gaps might get filled tomorrow or it may go more high tomorrow from here. Have you seen my another video of trend trading? Yeah, it can go up. I said we have some other considerations also to consider with this. So that we will learn step by step. Now we have seen a candle over here. We can make a short entry. There is no rules written like this is correct and this is not correct. We can take a short over here. But Nifty is going very strong and like if you are doing professionally, you won't be interested in shorting this for now. Okay. Now it is at like it's yeah lifetime high. It is nearing. So chances are there that it would make another new high, and then it might come a little back. Okay. This we will discuss further. This needs very detailed discussions. We will discuss that further. Okay. So what is the best time frame to work for these type of reversals? It is shorter time frames, I will tell you. Like let us see any chart we can see. Reliance Infra we will see. Okay. See here itself in daily you can see this candle suddenly it was gapped down, then it came up. This candle was the lowest low and this was a green candle in daily. And the closing price is 573. You can see at the right side the closing prices. Here you will be able to see when I click that when I keep mouse, yeah. So this was the lowest low at 573. Now sorry, at 483. Now it's at 573, nearly 100 points from November. Okay. And you see here this candle, this was the high with rejection candle, right? Okay. When this happened, that time itself we might have been cautious. When the first one happened, that time itself we might have been cautious. Okay. See here again a type of entry that we will be looking for. See here. Okay. You can see this red also. Acha, see this green over here. What does this single candle tell you? It's a short candle. You won't see a long tail over here. But the thing is, the prices opened here, then it went up till here, and then it was rejected actually. Fine. And when you see this type of candle, and the next day candle is red like this gives a perfect short entry. This we will discuss tomorrow, these type of formations. Is that okay? Okay. Look at this, Ravind, this candle. Can you see this one here? Okay, so this is for daily. This works for weekly also. See here, as I opened, you can see from this one and this one. Is it right? These two candles. Can you see this? Yeah. Okay, all these are supporting our concept. If you missed this opportunity, you could have entered here at this candle. This again was a rejection for you. These are all rejection candles. If you entered this one, you might have got stopped out. Am I right? Am I right? Okay, is it audible now?